welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, nandito ulit tayo to have another talk about free range farming. So madami kasi dito sa channel ko yung mga nagtatanong ano nga ba yung kinakailangan nila and everything na kailangan nyo isasagutin natin on this video. So please, if you like this kinds of video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, let's get started. So hi, kung bago ka pala dito sa channel ko, my name is Linsen. I'm a registered pharmacist and I'm also a farmer. So kailangan mong malaman at kailangan magkaroon ka ng sistema if you really want to be successful in chicken farming. So, ano nga ba yung mga bagay na kinakailangan mo? So, ayan, here in my book, I listed things na kinakailangan natin in order na maging successful and for us to run our business. So yes, our business properly. Kailangan natin of course ng scheduling. So actually madaming bagay po ito, but alam ko hindi natin ito matatapos in just one video. So yung mga gagawin ko ngayon is just brief or introduction for those things, pero gagawin ko pa din sila ng specific na video. So of course, first you have to have your proper scheduling or time management. It's very important if you want to start a farm is yung time management talaga, kasi ang daming kailangan gawin and I believe na hindi naman natin lahat magagawa in just one day. So kailangan po natin ng schedule. Ano nga ba yung mga bagay na binibigyan natin ng schedule? So unang-una is ang kanilang feeding time. Yes? So may schedule po tayo ng pagbibigay ng pagkain sa ating mga manok. Hindi po pwede na every time is papakainin natin sila kasi lugi din po tayo kapag ganon. So in my case, I feed my chickens, my pigs, all of my animals at the same time at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 4 to 5 p.m. So if that works for you, you can pwede nyo din yung gawin, but if not, so pumili kayo ng alternative na hindi naman masyadong late and hindi naman masyadong maaga para hindi sila magutom kaagad. So next thing is vitamins. Yes po, hindi po everyday kailangan magbigay ng vitamins kasi pag everyday magtatae yan. So kailangan meron lang po tayong time to give the vitamins. So there are times where you can give the vitamins every other day. So hindi po siya araw-araw. Kung gusto niyo pong malaman yung recommended vitamins ko, please watch here. And the next thing is for vaccination. So, madaming magtatanong if I vaccinize or nagpa-vaccine ba ako ng mga alaga ko? And the answer is yes po. Kailangan natin ng vaccination. Ano nga ba ang ginagawa ng vaccination? So, it helps you or it prevents your chicken to get a certain disease by inducing a little amount of the bacteria or the virus, which is the pathogen. So, medyo scientific yun na example. But the thing is, yung vaccine, in layman's term, is yun yung parang prevention of diseases. So, kailangan po nila yun dahil alam naman natin, ang kalaban natin is hindi something na nakikita natin, but vaccines are composing of bacteria, virus, which hindi naman po natin siya nakikita, so we really need it. Next po is antibiotics. So kahit wala pong sakit yung ating mga manok, para hindi sila magkaroon ng sakit, we need antibiotics for prevention purposes. Of course, kung may sakit na talaga sila, there are certain antibiotics that we can give, but for prophylaxis, I recommend amoxicillin for 3 days, guys. Sunod-sunod yan for 3 days. Usually, 1 sachet of amoxicillin is good for 4 liters. So, hindi naman nila maubos yung 4 liters. Well, in case, it depends kung gaano karami yung mga chicken nyo. But, for 3 consecutive days, kailangan po natin silang painumin only for the prophylaxis. If you want an organic alternative, please click the link here. If you want to know more about chicken diseases, pwede po akong gumawa ng video dyan. Just leave a comment below. So, yes, the next thing is the deworming. Yes, guys, for that one, you need also to schedule. paano nga ba yung pag-schedule ng deworming? Some na mga manukan na or mga chicken farmer na kilala ko, they do it every first of the month. So yes po, once a month lang sila. Though I need to research more about how many times a month or a week, but I think once a month will be reasonable po sa pag-deworm. So bakit nga po ba tayo nagdi-deworm? Kasi when we talk about deworming, ang dinideworm po natin, inalis po natin yung mga bulati sa tiyan, yung mga parasites na kumakain or kumukuha or umaagaw sa nutrients na kinakailangan ng ating mga manok. So yun, kaya natin sila inaalis para mabansot at hindi maging prone sa diseases. So yun po yung mga scheduling na kinakailangan. Other factors na kinakailangan natin sa ating farm is that we need biosecurity or cleanliness and disinfection is very important po. Guys, wag nating hayaan maging ganito po yung maging itsura ng ating farm. So please let us clean our farms po. Kinokontrol natin yung pagkalat ng mga bacteria and viruses, ang 1/3 germs na hindi siya kumalat sa ating farm or sa ating mga pen. So it's very important po. Actually, kagagaling ko lang sa vet today. And nagtatanong kasi ako ng proven na disinfectant. Kasi gagamitin ko siya actually dun sa piggery namin. Pero kasi ang sabi, tinanong ko siya, so how many times po ba kailangan natin mag-disinfect? Sabi niya, dati daw, once a week lang nag-disinfect. But now, na siya, 2 times a week na guys. Kasi madami nang nag-i-evolve ng diseases sa ating mga farms. So, kailangan na talaga natin itaas yung alert ng biosecurity. So, yes po. And the next thing is the weighing. So, kung ikaw ay isang poultry farmer, kung ano yung weight or yung bigat ng iyong manok is very important. It's very important to see na yung manok is healthy. So, a lot of breeds, when you look at it online, you can search that, for example, at 3 months, kailangan yung manok mo is nag-weigh na siya ng 2 kilos. So, kung yung manok mo is lower than that kilo, for example, 1.5 lang siya, it means na may mali dun sa pagpapakain mo or may mali dun sa manok. Naging retarded yung growth niya. So, this is very important, guys, to know kung ano din yung progress ng chicken farm mo. So, later on, as I've said, ngayon, I just touched the things that I needed para mabigyan kayo ng foundation kung ano yung mga videos na susunod na pag-uusapan natin. So, that is why kinumpel ko lang sila, and I really hope you learned something on this video. Don't worry guys, since bumalik na yung ating ads, as you can see, mas madami na tayong videos na i-upload ngayon kasi naniniwala ako na marami talaga sa atin when it comes to passionate tayo, but the knowledge and understanding of things, medyo doon tayo nagkukulang, and that is why I'm here. So, thank you so much mga family, and I will see you on my next